In this tutorial, we are going to go through addition of numbers up to 10 using the head and fingers method. This is the third method we are using. The first one was using dots. The second one we used the number line. This one we are going to use head and fingers, which is very good for mental arithmetic. Let's start with a nice easy example. What is 7 plus 4? Now, how do we do this? Using the head and fingers method. Well, the first number, which is the larger number, 7 is larger than 4. What we do is we say 7, the number 7 is on our head. In fact, I can draw a little stick diagram. I'm not very good with diagrams, but imagine there's a stick diagram with a smiley face. And you are saying there is 7 on my head. The second number, we hold out the number of fingers there are for the second number. In this case, there are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there is 7 on my head and 4 on my hand. What do we do then? We start with 7 and we count how many more there is. So 7 is on my head, 8, 9, 10, 11. And that is our answer, 11. Shall we do that one more time, just to make sure we understand it? 7 plus 4. There is 7 on my head, and there is 4 in my hand. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That is our answer. Let's work through a second example. What is 6 plus 7? 6 plus 7. Now again, we do the same thing. We can either have 6 on our head, or we can have 7. It's good practice to always have the larger number on our head, because it is easier then to work out. So now I'm drawing these stick figures, you don't have to. What we're going to say is there is 7 on my head and 6 in my hand. So let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the 6. So there is 7 on my head and 6 in my hand. Now we just count from 7 how many fingers we have. So we start with 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And that is our answer. 6 plus 7 equals 13. Now let's work through one more example. What is 4 plus 9? Now let's do this again with the head and fingers method. I'm not going to draw the stick figure this time. Which number of the two do you think is larger? Is it 4 or 9? That's right, 9 is larger. So we're going to say that 9 is on my head. The 4, we use the 4, we hold out 4 fingers. So we say 1, 2, 3, 4. 9 is on my head, 4 is on my hand. So we say 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And that is our answer, 13. So that is addition of numbers up to 10 using the head and fingers method.